Hello everybody, my name is Dani. I'm broadcasting from Spain and I want to share with you about my event finder skill I have developed for the Alexa Skill Challenge. First of all, I want to introduce why it was my inspiration. I used to look for events locally for trying to enjoy time with my family, and I used to look for in newspaper or internet. So it would be very great to try to define any way to interact with this information. So 4 weeks ago, I discovered in Bright.com this information from the worldwide events around the view. So it's very funny and it will be great to try to interact with this all tons of information based on your Alexa device. So I started to develop, it was for a strat developed based on Python service, and I tried to define a robust system machine for controllable states during the execution of the skill, and I hosted, of course, in AWS Lambda, and I based my integration through an API third party, in this case, Eventbrite, as I said, and of course, the API system for trying to define the visual context. So I have a few problems, but very important in my situation was trying to certificate it. The skill, but it was amazing. It was not possible. It was a nightmare. I have to different feedback, but it was very slow for my perspective. I took almost 1 week in with response. I only can speak about the Spanish step, but it's not very useful and it's total dismotivation for developer. On the other hand, I have no documentation for an API based on Python, and I have to build it on for the first line of code. That's very funny, but it's hard. And of course, I expected a lot of problems. I'm sure they are in a beta version, but APL have a few unexpected errors. So the last one I want to highlight is the bug in Alexa is terrible. Sorry for that, but it's real. What the next in this skin? Of course, I will to add more language for trying to reach our audience. I think it's the best for a great app. Have a lot of users that can push it for being motivated with it, but I need more languages. And of course, I can be able to add more features. For example, look for category events. It's a function I already had with the Eventbrite, so we will rate. The two other options will be to automatically detect where the user is located. It don't have sense to ask where the user is located. And the last one, it will be very useful to try to integrate in skill process with the event page. Yeah, let's go for the demo. I'm going to use state store. I'm not used to it in Spain, but I think state is full of Alexa users, so it will be great for me. So let's go for it. So Alexa, open Event Finder, please.
Welcome to Event Finder. I can help you discover plans near you. Ask, what can you do this weekend?
What can I do next weekend?
What city in the United States are you in?
I'm in Los Angeles.
I found 49 possible plans. Here are the closest ones. Position 1, laugh with Sarah every Monday morning. Call from anywhere phone event. Position 2, launch your own clothing and e-commerce brand, nonprofit org. Position 3, start a consulting or coaching company. Get empowered. If you want more information, say more information about position 1.
Let's go for number 2. So Alexa, more information about position 2.
Turn art into clothing. Click on the link to read about the process and how you can get started. We are a nonprofit organization on a mission to help you launch and grow your dream business in 2019. Click here to start if you want more information about any of other plans. Say more information about position 1.
Great, don't worry. Let me change the city. So Alexa, what can I do next weekend in New York?
I found 47 possible plans. Here are the closest ones. Position 1, Advanced Learning Lab in Adaptive Design. Position 2, Advanced Online Marketing Courses Package New York. Position 3, AgTech Exco Lab, Day Pass. If you want more information, say more information about
Alexa,
position 1.
More information about position 4, please. Alexa, more information about position 4, please.
Your tour guide will help make the past come alive on the gangster mob prohibition pub crawl. In 1920, the United States...
Getting back to the slides, time's gone. I only have 5 minutes for trying to introduce on my project, and I hope you have enough time for check all the below links to other videos, and you can check all the demos in other language. My more language Spanish, but I have been working hard for other language and countries. So thank you for time, and good luck.